Personal Entrepreneurial Competencies, PECs. Content 1. Assessment of Personal Competencies and Skills, PECs vis-à-vis PECs of a practicing entrepreneur/employee. 1.1 Characteristics. 1.2 Attributes. 1.3 Lifestyle. 1.4 Skills. 1.5 Traits. 2. Analysis of PECs compared to those of a practitioner. 3. Align one's PECs based on the results of the assessment. Content Standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of one's PECs in electronic products assembly and servicing. Performance Standard. The learner shall be able to prepare an activity plan that aligns with the PECs of a practitioner, entrepreneur in electronic products assembly and servicing. Learning Competencies. Learning Outcome 1. Recognize personal entrepreneurial competencies and skills, PECs, needed in electronic products assembly and servicing. Learning Outcome 1.1 Compare one's PECs with those of a practitioner, entrepreneur. Learning Outcome 1.2 Align one's PECs with those of a practitioner/entrepreneur. Learning Outcome 1.3 Assess one's PECs 1.4 Assess practitioner's PECs. Code TLE_PECs 712001